name is Chad Jones with the National Tile Contractors Association. Today, I want to talk about a tool we use often in our day-to-day work as tile setters, our notch trowels. We use our notch trowels as gauges to apply a specific amount of material to either our substrate or our tile in order to bond them together. If we're using a worn-out notch trowel, we could be applying a wrong amount of material so that we don't get that great bond and or coverage. So when we do use our notch trowels as gauges, we want to make sure that we're using them correctly, and whenever they need to be replaced, we'll go ahead and doing so before they get too worn out.
Here is a V-notch trowel that might have been used as a gauge to apply a liquid applied waterproof membrane at one time. And here's a new one. Clearly, the used one will not be applying the same amount of material, and the membrane could fail as our gauge is completely off. Here I have a badly worn 1/4 inch wide by 3/8 inch notch trowel. This trowel would not be able to get us our minimum of 3/32 of an inch bond coat if we were to use it to trowel or substrate or bond tile. It could cause slippage issues and outright failures. This trowel would be unsuitable for installing any tile.
We all have our favorite trowels, but as we use them, we're wearing them down and they need to be replaced. If we're using a worn-out trowel, we won't get the coverage that we want on the back of the tiles. As we need a new trowel, maybe that's a good time to try out new ones. Maybe you'll find a new favorite trowel for you. Once again, my name is Chad Jones with the National Tile Contractors Association, reminding you that tools need replacement and notch trowels need replacement also.